Yeah, hi, my name's Jim Hall. I've been with Tridel for over 25 years. I'm a senior site superintendent. This job is Blythwood at Huntington. It's the first of 2 buildings that will be built here. It's a very upscale project. The biggest challenge here to date really has been the shoring, which is about 60 feet in height. At present, we've taken out about 50,000 cubic meters of dirt, or 5,000 dump truck loads. One of the things I really love about my job now is, other than the challenges of the actual job itself, it's working with great younger people, and when they're eager to learn, I love to teach them. It's always a pleasure to see them grow and develop, and it's quite a fulfilling feeling.